Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amber. I'm a computer science major transferring colleges currently, and this is how to start coding. Simple as that. How to start coding. As a computer science major, or someone who may be going into college or wants to take more of the self-taught route, you want to know, where do I start with coding? Everyone wants to know where if you you're interested in coding or just dabbling, everyone wants to know, where do you start? And there's many ways to start. First things first, you want to pick a language. Python, JavaScript, Java, any language, just pick one, and you want to just hunker down with that language and learn the basics and just really try to learn as much as you can in that language. So that would be the first step. So what language I decided to learn first was Python. It is a really simple language, but it's also a very popular one used by many companies. You see it everywhere. If you're going to college, you'll probably see it in classes, maybe, depending on your school, your institute, all that stuff, because every school is different. But that's what I chose to learn. And there's many routes that you can go into that. So you can start with maybe getting books. You get a book on an intro to Python. You could take a class, an intro to computer science class, or an introduction to Python class. That's what I did. But you can get a book. There's I have a book, I don't know where I put it. A book. I have this book, which is JavaScript and jQuery, which goes over the programming language of JavaScript. And it's actually really good for front-end web development, which I want to be a full-stack software engineer. So I absolutely love this book. It's full of different information, and it has a lot of different coding examples, right here. Obviously you can't see it that well, but I absolutely love this book. But it's not the only way that I chose to learn, because obviously I started off with Python, not JavaScript. So another way to start off with coding is using an online resource. If you're a visual learner, chef's kiss to it. There are many different awesome websites and companies that you can go to. My favorite would be Codecademy. You can do it free. You can learn a lot of different languages. They have a lot of things that they offer. Even for free, they still offer a lot. And what they'll do is they'll have written stuff down about what you're learning. Say if you're learning Python functions, it'll have information about functions and why we use them. And then you'll have instructions of something that you need to code. And it's going to tell you what to do, but you're the one who's coding it. They're not writing it out for you. That's why I really love Codecademy, because it really helps you learn. I literally have a notebook full of Python stuff. Okay, there's also Free Code Camp, which is also free. If you're looking for the free thing, I really think Free Code Camp is really awesome. They do a lot of code along with you, code along stuff. And it also has an open source code base and a lot of curriculum there as well. There's a lot to learn. If you're looking for more paid route, you can get a course from Udemy, or you could go on to Skillshare. Skillshare has a lot of stuff too. They literally have everything you can think of, but those things cost money. If you're looking for their free route, I'd go Codecademy or Free Code Camp. Okay, and then there is another way. If you're wanting to go the self-taught route, you could go to a coding boot camp, where they'll throw you into coding. They'll start learning stuff. It'll be a really good stepping stone. I wouldn't use it to particularly go right into the workforce, because you need way more practice than that, because you actually need to build projects and stuff. But they're also really expensive, so it wouldn't be my first choice because of how expensive they are. If you got the money, yeah, that's great. Do it, honestly. But if you're looking to start coding, there's no better time to start than now. Because when you start, you're going to start gaining that knowledge. And it's going to be really beneficial, especially if you're going into college like I am as a computer science major. I may be transferring, but I haven't taken any computer science classes because of the school I went to. But I've been learning Python and some JavaScript, and I absolutely adore it. And that's going to give me a good foundational knowledge when I go to college, when I go and start taking all these classes. And I'm really thankful for that because I'm going to need it. It's going to hopefully help me not stress out as much. I mean, we'll really see about that one. I mean, queen of stressing is right here. But, yeah, those are my tips. It might not be the best because I'm a newbie, and this is coming from a newbie. Like, I'm weird. I'm sorry. But, yeah, I think that's all. That's all I have. If you have anything else you want to add, other coders, other software engineers, you want to add something, put it in the comment section to let all of our fellow new coders know just how to get started. Because it seems really daunting at first, but once you get into it, if you really like it, you're going to love it. Like, you'll just keep going. Like me, I started coding, and now I'm literally obsessed with it. I'm actually kind of obsessed with coding right now. That's why I'm a computer science major. But, yeah, so that's going to be it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope you guys like, subscribe, comment, do all that fun stuff, please, because it could really help out with me just sharing life and my story, college advice, college lifestyle, coding, computer science, all that fun tech stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!